This comes as the Orange County Tax Collector's Office told its workers they have to get the shots before the end of August or be forced to resign.
Meanwhile, other businesses are starting to do the same, or at least are considering it. But is this legal? News 6's Eric Von Aken is live at the Tax Collector's Office in downtown Orlando looking into this. And so, Eric, what are people's rights when it comes to this?
Julie, simply, if you want to work, you got to do what your boss tells you to do. And yes, that applies in this specific situation if the employer is requiring a vaccination. The spokesperson for the tax collector's office tells me here so far, nobody's pushing back on this. This is the letter that all 316 employees of the Orange County Tax Collector's Office got. They must be fully vaccinated by August 31st, it says. And the office is a public entity. It's not private.
That's correct. We are a government agency. We serve the public, and that's one of the reasons why we decided to take this move.
Eddie Ayala is the communications director for the tax collector's office. He says there will be exceptions for medical and religious reasons, and if they're approved, those people will have to wear a mask at all times and test negative for COVID at the beginning of each work week. What if someone says no?
Well, it is a condition of employment, just like a background check or a drug test. The employee can choose to either do those things or they can choose to resign their position from the tax collector's office.
To quit?
To quit, yes, essentially.
Now serving phone number 2.
Just like the public tax collector's office, some private companies are already requiring vaccines, and some colleges are starting to. Ayala says the tax collector checked with attorneys to make sure it is legal, and we checked with our News 6 legal analyst, Steve Kramer, who says requiring employees to get vaccinated is legal as long as the employer allows the medical and religious exemptions, like the tax collector's office. And since this is a public entity, that means that all healthcare costs from employees here are paid for by public tax dollars, your taxpayer bucks, and that includes costly hospital visits. I'll get into that side of the story when I see you again coming up at 5:30, but for now, live in downtown Orlando, Eric Von Aken getting results. News 6.